Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes. Today we are going to study about one more operation, that is OF operation, class. Till now we have discussed about our four operation. Those are division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. But today we are going to study about one more operation, that is OF operation. Clear? Class, in your 5th standard we have solved such type of questions as 1 by 2 of 16, and I have already told you many times OF means multiply, and when there is a multiply sign, so we have to do the cancelling. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. We will cancel these two numbers with the help of table 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 8s are 16. And at the last we have to multiply. 8 ones are 8. 1 ones are 1. So 8 by 1 is equal to 8. Am I clear, everyone? So when the operation OF appears in the mathematical expression, when there is one more operation OF in any question, then it must be performed before any other operation. This line is very important, class. It should be performed before, means before doing division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. What we have to solve? We have to solve OF operation. Clear, everyone? So till now what we have done? We have studied only one rule, that is DMAS rule. What we have studied about DMAS rule. But as we are going to solve first of all OF, then we will solve DMAS. So it is known as now ODMAS. Why O is there? Because first of all we will solve OF. So OF का first letter क्या है बच्चे? O. So we have add O in our DMAS rule. Earlier we were having DMAS. Now we will use, or we will solve first of all OF. So we have added O in front. First of all OF will be solved, then division will be solved, then a multiplication, then addition, and at the last we will solve subtraction. Clear, everyone? So the full rule will be ODMAS. Clear, everyone? As you already know, O stands for OF, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and at last S stands for subtraction. Now let's go through with few questions, right? Yes, our question number 1 is 64 divided by 2 of 8 plus 5 multiply 7. So class, according to the ODMAS rule, first of all O should be used, O should be solved, and O means OF. So what I used to tell always, we will underline those numbers which involved OF. So here 2 and 8 is there, जिसके बीच में OF है. So we will underline that and we will write directly answer. OF means multiply. I have done here calculation as well. OF means multiply, and 2 multiply 8. 2 8s are 16. So wherever we have done underline, उसके नीचे लिखेंगे बच्चे 16. Clear? And you remember this? We have already done this thing in our DMAS as well. First of all, we used to underline, and whatever the answer came, we used to write below that. And जो rest numbers हैं बच्चे, rest numbers and the symbols, we will copy same. See here, 64, 64, divide, 2 of 8. It is underlined, so we are not going to write it. And rest is plus, 5, multiply, 7, 7. It means rest of the digits or the numbers we will write as it is. Now we have solved OF operation. Now what we have to solve? We have to solve the division. So to solve the division, we will underline those numbers which involve the division. Here 64 and 16 involve division. So we will underline this. And you know, after doing underline, we have to write its answer. Yes, class. In the table of 16, 64 comes at fourth number. 16 fours are 64. So the answer is 4. And we will copy the rest of the numbers as it is. See here. Plus, plus. 5, 5. Multiply, multiply. 7, 7. Now I have done the multiplication. We have done till now division. After division, we will solve multiplication. And to solve multiplication, first of all, we will underline those numbers which involve multiplication. So, I have underlined 5 multiply 7 and its answer is 5 sevens are 35 and rest digits will be same. 4 was there, so I have copy 4. Plus was there, so I have copy plus. Now, what we have to solve after multiplication? After multiplication, addition should be solved. So, the numbers which are involved in addition, we will underline those and then finally we will plus them. 35 plus 4 is equal to 39. We have underlined it and we have written the final answer. Class, if we are having subtraction as well, तो इस क्वेश्चन में हम और आगे जाते, हम आगे subtraction भी करते, but as subtraction is not there, so we will leave our answer here only. 39 is our final answer. Am I clear everyone with this question? Now to strengthen our concept, let's move to the question number 2. Yes, 16 multiply 3 of 4 divide by 24 plus 18 minus 9. Yes, according to the OD mass. What we have to solve? We have to solve first of all of. And to solve of, we have to underline. Yes, 3 of 4. We will underline this. Yes, of means multiply. So 3 4s are 12. After underline of it, we will write the answer below it. That is 12. And rest of the numbers we will directly copy from the question. 16, 16. Multiply, multiply. Bachche, we never copy the numbers which are underlined. 304, it is underlined ना, तो उसकी जगह पे हमने क्या लिखा है? 12. So we will not copy them. Yes, after that divide, divide. 24 plus 18, 24 plus 18. Minus 9, minus 9. Yes, so our first step is clear. We have solved the of operation. Now after of, what we have to solve? Division. So now we will underline those numbers which are involved in division. Here we will underline 12 divided by 4. So yes class, when we will divide 12 by 4, so the answer after dividing we will get, it will be in the points. So to avoid the points, what I have done, I have written 12 divided by 4 as 12 by 4. Remember these type of questions we have done in our 5th standard. Divide ko I said always that we can write by also. 12 divided by 4, and now we can cancel them. We have to take any such number in which table 12 also come and 24 also come. There is table of 2. And yes, it can also go with the table of 4, but I have directly divided it or cancelled with the help of table 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So the answer is 1 by 2. After solving this underlined value, I got the answer 1 by 2. Yes, now we will copy rest of the digits as it is. 16 multiply, 16 multiply. Plus 18, plus 18, minus 9, minus 9. Now class, after division, which operation we have to use? We will solve the multiplication. Yes, now we will underline those numbers which involve multiplication. That is 16 multiply 1 by 2. That's why I have underlined it. Clear everyone? And the rest digits will be same. Plus 18 plus 18. Minus 9 minus 9. Yes class, when the numbers are in fraction, when the numbers are in fraction, so we can cancel easily. And when we are not having anything in the denominator, so we always used to put 1. Yes, now for the cancelling, we want a number in which table 2 also come and 18 also come. That is a table of 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 eights are 16. So after solving this underlined calculation, we got the answer 8. Yes, I have written 8 and rest of the digits will be same. That is plus 18 minus 9. See here, plus 18 minus 9. Now after multiplication, which operation we have to solve, class? Yes, addition. So we will underline those digits or the numbers which involved addition. 8 plus 18. I have underlined 8. When I'll add 8 to the 18, the answer will be 26 and rest numbers will be same. Minus 9, minus 9. And at last, we have to solve the subtraction problem. So we will underline the numbers which involve in the subtraction, and finally we get the 17 as the correct answer. Clear, everyone? I hope so. After doing these two questions, you are getting the confidence. Yes, we can do these type of questions which involve of and as well as other 4 basic operations. Clear, everyone? So let's practice the last question, and I hope so after that you will be able to understand the of concept, right? Last question. See here. 16 multiply 24 divided by 3 by 7 of 28 plus 5. Yes, so first of all, we according to the OD mass, we have to solve of. So we will underline it and we will try to solve it. Of means multiply. Of means multiply. Yes, class, I told you while doing the cancelling, we have to remember 2 things. First of all, we will check the numerator and denominator. Is there any table जिससे वो दोनों कैंसिल हो सकते हैं? Yes, 3 and 7 किसी एक टेबल में आते हैं, class? No. So when this type of cancelling is not useful, then we will check cross cancelling. Yes, 3 and 1. No. 7 and 28. Yes. 7 की टेबल में बचे 7 also comes and 28 also comes. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28. After cancelling, what steps I have told you? We will multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 4 threes are 12 and 1 multiply 1. So 1 ones are answer will be 1. 12 by 1. So instead of doing this calculation here, I have done this calculation aside and I have directly written the answer 12 here. And you know the next thing, what we have to do? We have to copy all the numbers and the symbols same from the question. 16 multiply 24 divide. 16 multiply 24 divide. As it is underlined, so we will not copy it. Last plus 5. So I have written also plus 5. Yes, class, according to the OD mass, after of, what we have to solve? Division. So I have underlined here डिवीजन, राइट? सो 24 को बच्चे जब हम 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे, yes, in the table of 12, 24 comes, yes, at the place of 2. 12 twos are 24. So I have done this calculation and below that I have written the answer 2. And rest of the numbers we will write same. 16 multiply, 16 multiply. जो underlined है, we never used to write it. After that plus 5, plus 5. Yes, the third step is we have to solve after division, that is multiplication. So we will underline 16 multiply 2. That is, yes, 16 twos are 32. And we will copy the rest of the digits, plus 5, plus 5. And after multiplication, what we have to do, class? We have to do add. So the numbers which are involved in addition, we will do like this. 32 plus 5, that is 37. Now we don't have any subtraction calculation, so our final answer is 37. I hope so, class, this concept is clear, and in my next video we will discuss about BODMAS rule. So till that time, take care and bye everyone.